Hey investor, welcome back to Fiscal Voyage. My name is Felix. In today's video, we're going to talk about Tesla. I made a video on Tesla last week saying that Tesla could go to $600. Well, here it is today at around $580 or so. We're going to go over that video that I did last week, as well as talk about what should we do now that Tesla is in the under $600. I go over, is it a good buying opportunity, what to wait for, and what to expect in the next few days. So stay tuned for that. But first, I want to go over my swing trade newsletter that I have. You can see here we have the swing trade newsletter spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet basically is a history of all my trades. And right now, using a 2% risk, the swing trade newsletter is up 16%. And some of my recent trade right now, I've got 3 times my risk on BSY as a short. I shorted Chevron. I only got about 1 times my risk, 1R. And then APAM short closed at a $2 or 2R gain there. I have EMR open right now. And I expect this to be around an R or maybe 2, hopefully, how the market's going lower. I had a stretch here that was pretty bad, but you know, overall the newsletter is in the positive at 8.3 R, which is a 2% risk based on your portfolio size, and that represents a 16% gain. So we do get winners in that. So you sign up for the newsletter. Is a free 1-week newsletter. There's a free link to it in the description below. Make sure to sign up for that. So let's get on with the Tesla video. So let's get right into it. You can see here in April 29th, I did a video on Tesla stock to 600, question mark, exclamation mark. And in this video, I talked about basically how Tesla broke out of the range. If we expand this, you can see here during that time period, Tesla stock was about $673 when I made this video. And let me hold on, it's getting slaggy here. And you can see here, so I went through the analysis, and you can check out that video titled Tesla stock to 600. And today we're gonna do a review of that video and see where it is now, and should we buy it or just continue holding or waiting for a better opportunity. So if we look at the Tesla charts, for example, you can see here, this is the daily chart right here. This is just the daily chart as well, but a longer time period. This is just 3 months. And you can see here it's going for $589. So it's lower than the $600 that I predicted, which was on April 9th, which was over here on this bar here. And the following day, it actually had a big green bar. And then the following 3 or 4 days, it had red bars. And then all of a sudden now it's at around 589 going for. So it does look like Tesla has support. You can see here the rising moving average, the 200 daily moving average. So that's strong support for this stock. You can see here it reached in March 5th, it got to 539, and it bounced in around the 200 moving average. And so I'm predicting the kind of the same thing. It could go to 550. The 550 is a 233-day moving average. But you can see here at 539 is also, you have this big bottoming tail. So that's good, strong support here, as well as you saw here in December 2nd of last year. It had a gap down, and then it had a bottoming tail around that 540 area. So 540 definitely looks like a support area. Then you got the rising 200 at the 550 and 579, 580 area. So it does look like Tesla stock is heading to support area. So it looks like a good buying opportunity, but I wouldn't buy it just yet. I will wait to see if it goes further down. And when it goes further down, then if I were to buy Tesla, I will wait for a green bar, and then put your purchase order right above the green bar, and then that should continue a move higher, because at that point, if it gets to maybe 540, 550, you could have, you know, your profit taking area around the 50 moving average, daily moving average, and the 21 moving average, which is the 680 area. If you wanted to take profit, or if you want to go long Tesla for the long term, like hold it for the next 5-10 years, then 550 would definitely be a good buying opportunity. But I would just wait again. Once it gets to that point, wait for a green bar, and then that's where you'll jump in and purchase it, because then that would be a positive move to the upward trend. So I will wait for a bounce around the 550 area, and wait for a nice green bar, maybe with a bottoming tail, signaling big institution money is coming into the stock Tesla. But like you see here, this is the weekly chart. You also have the weekly 50 MA, which is at 544. So this 550, 540 area is very strong support area for Tesla. It did broke the 21 weekly moving average, and you can see here it broke that, and now it's heading towards the 50 weekly moving average. So, but and the monthly, this is the monthly chart over here, and it still does look extended there. It could go up to $427, $430 based on the monthly chart. I don't think it'll get to that point because it's so you know, people are such a big fan of Tesla. I think, but I do think that the 50 moving average on the weekly as well as the daily match around the 540, 550 area. So that looks like strong support area for the Tesla stock. But again, I will wait for a green bar, a nice green bar down here. Maybe, hopefully, you know, you get a good bottoming tail, and that would signal a strength in the uptrend, and that'd be a good buying opportunity for Tesla stock. So those are my thoughts on Tesla. You know, like I said, wait for a bottoming tail, a nice green bar, and then I think that would be a good buying opportunity once it hits that area. Again, check out my free swing trading newsletter in the description below. There's a link for it for more information. So make sure to sign up. It's free, so there's no risk to you. So sign up for that newsletter. And thanks for watching. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one.